Nonlinear locator is a device for finding electronics. It generates a high-frequency signal that irradiates semiconductor compounds, which return as oscillations at harmonic frequencies. Semiconductors are radio elements, which you can find in any electronic device. In a mobile phone, or even a SIM card, for example. The main advantage of a nonlinear locator is that it does not care at all where the electronic device is mounted, whether it is a radio tab embedded in a concrete wall, or it will be a microphone hidden under the seat trim in a car. How a nonlinear locator works, consider the example of the Cayman Model Street 400. As a first example, consider the sockets as a typical place for installing microphones. When we bring the nonlinear locator at this stage, we see only the third harmonic response, which indicates re-reflection from metal structures. Now let's try to add a microphone there. Now, if we bring in a nonlinear locator, we will see a clear second harmonic response which indicates the presence of electronic devices. Next, let's try to hide the SIM card of a mobile phone in the windowsill. Or a mobile phone, which we will hide under the upholstery of the sofa. You can see what other nonlinear locators are on our website. And in the next videos we will talk about what other search equipment is and how it differs from a nonlinear locator. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video.